Did you guys sing it in your heads? So I'm here today to speak to you about a brand that now has a special place in my heart. I'm pretty sure you've seen it all over Instagram. It's the Coco Eve brand. Today I'll be reviewing their Like a Virgin hair mask. By reading what's written on the back of the box, it's that it delivers hydration from root to tips and that it will be nourishing hair damaged by heat, styling, dyes, and the environment. It helps improve hair texture by targeting frizz, covering split ends, and adding gloss. So I'm pretty happy with the split ends. I mean, they're starting to be really damaged. So for those who don't know, I reviewed their tanning foam product in another video. Honestly, anybody who would try that foam would fall in love with it. I will include in the description below where you can get this foam, and I will also put the video of me reviewing the product at the end of this video. So when Coco and Eve saw that tanning foam video, they reached out to me to see if I wanted to try more of their products. And since I have a very good feeling about this brand, I agreed. So on my list, the next product that I wanted to try from their brand was the Coco Eve Like a Virgin hair mask. The important thing that I always repeat in my videos is that I really give real reviews. Free product or not, I will always give my honest opinion. It's important for me to make you feel like you come to an honest and safe place for reviews. So again, these are my personal impressions about a product. You know, I might love it, you might not, but I will do my best to give you everything I feel about this product so that it can help you knowing if you really want to get it or if it's really not something you need. Okay guys, so let's get started. So I received the Like a Virgin hair mask. They sent me a brush. It's a super cute brush. So this brush will help me spreading the product evenly in my hair. They also sent me a microfiber hair towel wrap. So this one over here. So for the instructions, they say that you have to shampoo your hair like you do normally. You don't add any conditioner because this will act as your conditioner. And then you're just gonna dry your hair a bit with your towel and you're gonna put this product in your hair for 5 to 10 minutes. Then they say to rinse it with warm water. They also say that you can use this mask 1 to 2 times a week. But what I'm gonna do is actually shampoo my hair, come back in front of the camera, apply this product in my hair, and leave it overnight. By the way, I didn't tell you what this product was made of. So it's infused with coconut, fig, shea butter, linseed, and argan oil to help strengthen the hair and get it back to its pure virgin state. So this is why they called it Like a Virgin hair mask. Alright guys, so let's start with step 1. I'm just gonna go wash my hair and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I just finished taking my shower. My hair is a bit wet, so I'm just gonna take the microfiber towel and I'm gonna dry them up a bit, just a bit. So I'm gonna use this towel again after, but for now I'm just gonna apply my hair mask. So this hair mask over here. The smell is so good. It smells like coconut, the shea butter, I think with like the fig. It really makes me think like I'm down south somewhere. Honestly, the smell is good. It's soft, it's not too strong. Let's apply that everywhere. I've seen some girls just go like this with their brush and applying it everywhere, but I'm not gonna go this way. So I'm really just gonna take some in between my hands and apply it everywhere on my hair. So I'm gonna take that amount. I wonder if it's a lot, I don't know. But like I saw these girls on Instagram, they would apply so much. So I don't know if I'm supposed to apply a lot, but I'm really gonna insist on the ends because my hair is like breaking. I'm gonna try to save them. So I'm gonna apply here. So I'm gonna take the same amount of product that I applied on this part of my hair and I'm gonna apply it here. I'm gonna start with the ends and slowly go up. I applied the product really everywhere. I insisted on the ends because they dry up a lot. They're really broken, so I'm gonna try to save them. I'm just gonna use the brush and I'm gonna make sure that it's evenly distributed in my hair. Wow, I love that brush, oh my god. So now that I applied my product everywhere on my hair, they say to keep it between 5 to 10 minutes and then to go rinse it off with like warm water. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I'm actually gonna keep it for the whole night and then just rinse it off tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna put my hair in this towel. this, because when you tuck it here, yeah, there's like a button to make sure you secure it. I mean, I look crazy, but... So tomorrow morning, I'll just rinse off the product from my hair, and then I'll style my hair with you guys, and we'll see how we feel about Like a Virgin hair mask. Good morning. I look a bit crazy, but it's still on my head. So now I'm just gonna remove it, go take my shower. It feels like I have gel on my hair. Go rinse it off, and I'll come back, I'll style my hair and see how we feel about it. Alright, so I finished rinsing off the product from my hair, and honestly, still feels super, super soft. And another thing that I noticed, I've had them like this for a while. I used the towel again to dry them up a bit, and it's amazing, but like normally the ends, because they're kind of like broken and damaged, they're normally super, super dry when I finish my shower. Like they're already dry within like 30 seconds. I've had my hair wet for like what, a good, I would say 20 minutes, and they're still okay. So that means that that product is extremely, extremely nourishing because of it. Like, I know my hair and this is not normal. So to have them wavy, I have to go through a process where I'm making them straight first, and then I can go ahead and make them look wavy. So that's a lot of heat, and I feel bad because I feel like they would look so good curly right now just because they feel so healthy. Like, I don't know. Dilemma. Do I just go ahead and leave them curly? Oh, I don't know what to do. Okay, no. I'm gonna go with my initial plan of making them curly. No, not curly. See? Maybe I should have them curly. Okay, of having them wavy and see how they look like. So honest first impressions, went in the shower while I was rinsing off the product, my hair felt extremely, extremely soft. Like it felt so good. And it smells amazing, by the way. They're still like hydrated, like they're not dry like normally. Normally they're like straight and dry. So that speaks a lot about the product. That means that I had like extreme hydration. By the way, this brush, it runs through my hair like super easily. So whenever I put heat on my hair, I use hair protection. This one is the Très Aimé one. But yeah, there are plenty of them. It's just my favorite. So for me to have my wavy hair, I have to go through a long process. So I start with my hair dryer, and then I kind of make them a bit straight with my flat iron, and then I go ahead and start making them wavy. Because I'm a curly head, I need to go through this process, and this is why it's important for me to protect my hair, because there's a lot of heat that's gonna go through this fresh hair. You're gonna see how crazy I'm gonna look now. Curly hair. I look crazy, but I still feel like I could rock that style, no? I think so. Alright, so step 2, I'm gonna go ahead with my flat iron, and I'm mostly gonna focus on the roots of my hair. So basically everywhere where it's wavy, closest to my head. And here, well, I'm just gonna go really, really fast, because then I'm gonna go ahead and use this iron to make them wavy. By the way, I'm gonna apply this again to protect my hair. So let's do this. I'm really just going on the roots, and then I'm just gonna go fast like this. So I'm not very precise when I do this. I really don't want to make them super straight because they're gonna be wavy, so there's no purpose for it. It's really just for them to kind of look good and not look very curly at the roots. Alright guys, something very important that I want to mention is that the flat iron part is really not necessary. Because you're putting a lot of heat on your hair, just be careful. I know my hair, I've done it a couple of times, so I know it's okay, but I'm not doing it all the time. So sometimes what I do is really just use the hair dryer, and then I go directly to this iron to make my hair wavy. Alright, so now is the part where I'm gonna make them wavy, and again, I'm gonna protect my hair. I'm a bit paranoid with that because I've had really damaged hair in the past, so let's just be careful. How to finish a product in one day. So when I wave my hair, I don't start at the roots, I really start here, and I don't touch the ends. And I only leave it for a couple of seconds, and I take a good amount of hair. So and then I let it drop in my hand. And that's it. I'm super happy with the product. I'm just gonna go do my makeup and give you my final thoughts. Done? Alright guys, so I want to make something clear again. This product was sent to me free, but my reviews will forever be super honest, and I tell that to anybody who wants to collaborate with me. I always say that if I do reviews, they're like real honest reviews. I am completely in love with this product, and I mean it with all of my heart. My hair feels so different. It's like so soft. It feels fresh and healthy again. It's been a while guys, like I swear, just touching it, just feeling it even on my skin, it's like a different feeling. It smells super good, and where I actually got like super impressed, it's the ends. So I have like dead ends, and normally when I look at them, there's like little like dots. I don't know if you know what I mean, but that's when they're like actually very dead. There's none right now, like none. It just made it like alive again. I swear guys, just the feeling of touching my hair is different. It's insane. I'm really in love with this product in so many ways. I think about these products probably helped. So the microfiber towel, it was really for like the frizz. I didn't have any, I don't have any. And then there's like the brush for like tangles and stuff. And then this product. So there's one thing. So I don't know if some of you have tried it or you weren't impressed. I'm fully in love with it. Like I can say that I feel a huge difference. The only thing is that I left it for the whole night. So behind the bottle it says to leave it between 5 to 10 minutes and to wash it off, but I left it for the whole night, and I truly feel that it nourished my hair like extremely. It also says to use this product 1 to 2 times a week. I'm only gonna use it once a week for like 5 minutes and once a month overnight, because I truly feel it made a huge difference and I don't want to overdo it. But so yeah, that will be my technique. I mean, I came up with that, but I just know my hair, and right now I'm like so impressed. Anyways, so I would do it once a month for the whole night. Like I would just leave it in my hair for the whole night, and then once a week I would do it for like 5 minutes, not more than that. I'm really happy I found that brand, because on top of being like amazing with their marketing team, they make like beautiful products, but good products. Because often you get like the beauty, but you don't get the quality, and this is both. Like they send you stuff in like little pouches like these, you know, like just the packaging is amazing. Like it's super cute, and it also works. So I truly believe in their products. So far I tried the tanning foam, that it's a video that I'm going to include at the end of this one if you want to check it out. I'm also going to put in the link below the product that I tested out if you want to check it out as well. I will put in the link below the hair mask, the towel, the brush as well. So if you're interested to get them and to give it a try, do it. So guys, if you purchase some products from this company, please write it below. Tell me what you thought of them. If there's something that I should also discover and try, please don't forget to subscribe and to hit the notification bell. I really hope that you found this video helpful, and I can't wait to film my next video. I'm out of here for now. Bye. I have nowhere to go and can't even show my hair to anybody. I might just walk around in the building. Neighbors, look at the hair. I'm gonna go get my mail though, you know, that's normal.